we have to find the x-intercepts of a parabola. First, what is x-intercepts? The points at which a graph crosses the x-axis is called x-intercepts, and the x-intercepts of a graph of the equation can't be found by setting y equals 0. Why? Because, let me draw, for example, parabola opens down. This is our x-axis. Let's put here y-axis. And x-intercepts are points at which a graph crosses the x-axis. So our parabola crosses x-axis at this point and that. At this point, always on the x-axis, the second coordinate is 0. So for example, let me put that x is xy, and the second is always, and here x2, the second coordinate is always 0. That's why we said that y is equal 0. So let's write y is equal 0. So now you will substitute to our equation y by 0. So we have that 0 is equal negative 2x squared plus 4x. Next, we have to solve this equation for x. We can factor 2x. So let's copy 0. We have 2x, and in parentheses we will have negative x. 2x times negative x give me negative 2x squared, and we will have plus 2. 2x times 2 give me 4x. So I have still the same. I didn't change anything, and now we have multiplication on the right side. So when this will be equal 0, when one of this factor will be 0. So 2x will be 0, or negative x plus 2 will be 0. So we have multiplication here, so we will divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 we will reduce, and we have that x is equal 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. And the second equation, I can move negative x to the right side. So we have 2 is equal x. Negative, when I move to right side, we'll have to change the sign to positive. And we have that x is equal 2. We can rewrite and write on the left x and on the right 2. So we found that x is equal 2 and 0. So we can write that the intercepts are first coordinate is 0, and the second, like I said, we said that y is equal 0, and the second point, first coordinate is 2 and the second is 0. So this is my solution.